Hi foodies, those who have sweet tooths, this soft and juicy gulab jamun is for you. Perfect recipe for festival season. Let's make sugar syrup. Add 1 cup sugar in a wok. Add 2 cups of water. Cook till sugar dissolved. 2 green cardamom. Add few strands saffron and switch off the flame. In a bowl, add 3/4 cup of full cream milk powder, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 to 3 pinches of baking powder, clarified butter, ghee 2 teaspoons. Mix together. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe. Add room temperature milk, little by little. Hi my dear viewers, where are you all watching from? My favorite dessert is gulab jamun. Add your favorite dessert. Let me know in the comment section. La la la, sweet sweet gulab jamun for festive season. Make a soft dough. Take small portion of mixture. Make round shape bowl. Just 3/4 cup milk powder, we make 20 jamun. Heat oil in a medium heat. Add jamun one by one. Look how it's coming up. It means a perfect dough. Fry till golden in color. Now transfer it into sugar syrup. Soak it for about 2 to 3 hours. Garnish with silver paper and pistachios. Soft and juicy gulab jamun is ready. Do try this at home. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share.